Hey, this is Bill from KJBRC, and I'm doing an unboxing of the Arrma Fury BLX. It is the short course truck, the two-wheel drive, brushless short course. This is the box that it came in, and I have already opened it once. So I have the truck out of the wrapping, and this is the truck right here. It is fairly light, especially compared to my Traxxas Slash. And I'll just take the clips off here. And it's got a fairly narrow, lightweight body to it. Angled suspension on it, and a aluminum plate on the bottom. And also in the box we get a usual controller, which looks like that, and as well we get the usual instructions and some extra gears and pieces with that as well. And if you want to keep watching our channel for more videos, we will have a lot more weekly and possibly bi-weekly. And thanks for watching.